The error code E90 on a Bosch dryer indicates a fault with the electronics. This issue is commonly caused by a faulty control board relay, cold solder joints, or a resistance in the relays. To fix the error, start by inspecting the control board and examining the relays for signs of cold solder joints. Test the relays using a power supply, and check for a reading of 0 ohms if the relay is working properly. It is essential to distinguish between the power pins and signal pins. If the reading is unstable or shows resistance, the relays are malfunctioning. Cold solder joints can create poor contacts in the relays, and if this is the case, it is necessary to replace the relay with a new one that has the same specifications. For this particular dryer, 9-volt DC relays may be required. Using poor quality relays can lead to early wear and tear, resulting in the error code. Replacing the faulty relay with a suitable replacement should resolve the issue.